Are you making 2 to 4 sales with your affiliate marketing strategy, especially with organic traffic? If the answer is no, this video is going to show you how to promote the affiliate link, any platform, guys, with a right strategy, the right formula I'm going to show you guys, which is helping me to make 1 to 2 sales per week. I promote Warrior Plus product JVZoo more with my YouTube review channels. I also use this ClickBank account to promote with organic methods. So every week here you can see 1 to 2 sales. Some week I'm getting up sales of other products that make me $210, but minimum 2 to 4 sales you can make with your affiliate link if you watch this video till the end. But before that, guys, to subscribe my channel if you're here first time, enable the notification so that you can get my videos, and give the thumbs up to this video, guys, because this will solve your problem of how to promote the affiliate link to get the sales. There is no lack of methods and strategies in the internet, but you don't need many methods or the strategies in organic traffic. So guys, the formula of getting the sales in organic traffic is your content which is providing value, that means educating the audience on that particular niche, or entertaining the audience, or solving the problem on this particular niche. Okay, this is what, guys, which build relationship and trust. And remember this, guys, this relationship and trust is the only trigger of the sales, guys. This trigger the sales. So if you're running back of getting the sales, guys, you're wasting your energy, you're wasting years and time, guys. Or the dark side of affiliate marketing is, guys, time. You will never understand how it will ruin your entire day, and you have not made one sale a week, and then it will become a month, and then it will become a year, guys. 90% affiliates, guys, they just run back of sales. They try to ditch the process, because, guys, in affiliate marketing, the process is everything, guys, and sales is the byproduct of the process. So let me show you why the content. So here you can see this guy has wrote a amazing script here and a image, and that bought him almost 300 clicks, 100 comments. Your comments, guys, and click, as well as, guys, your save, comments, right, likes, these are the sign and symbol that your content is very, very relevant and good, which is educating and entertaining the pupil. And then they have given the affiliate link. Okay, so let me show you in my Pinterest account. So look at this. This is one of my Pinterest pin, and here you can see, guys, I got 5,000 plus impressions and 134 clicks organically. This bought me some sale, right? If your free contents are getting impressions, guys, or clicks, that means, guys, you're creating valuable content. So, and this is because of your content, again, guys, which is providing, educating and entertaining the people, or solving their problem. This is my Instagram account, guys, and very easy to get the sales from Instagram. Here you can see these are my reels. Each of these reels, can you see this, guys, engagement 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and look at the likes and comment. This is a symbol and sign that I'm connecting with my target audience. Okay, if your organic content is producing the value, guys, that will build the trust and relationship, and that will trigger the sales, guys. Now let's go to some long copy contents, right? Look at this website, 17 ways to get a flat stomach without diet and exercise. This is without diet and exercise, right? Look at the content they wrote here. Now let me show you similar web. Here you can see this same website is getting the traffic from tier 1 countries, guys, and right now it is driving 46 million visit. Okay, and the engagement, not because, guys, this is a website, just because, guys, they are following this formula of getting sales in organic traffic. It's all content. This is a very new channel. I'm going to bring a updated videos on this, but meanwhile here you can see 3 weeks back I have uploaded a 15-second content that bought me 1,000 views. Can you see this, right? Look at this, 3 weeks back, 900 views, okay, 600 views, right? This is YouTube short. So, guys, it's not about the long copy. It's not about you have to start with website. Okay, you don't need to start with a website. If you're starting doing the SEO, that's the best way to do this, guys. But your website will not get the traffic. Okay, until you're not going to follow this formula. Your content is everything, guys. If it is not educating and solving people's problem, it will ultimately not going to build the relationship with them. Okay, and they will not buy. Okay, so if you run back of sales, you will lose out in 2022, guys. If you really want to promote your affiliate link to get 2 to 4 sales per week, that's minimum, guys, with your organic traffic, then you have to create a content, guys. Now what you have to do is, instead of running back of methods and strategies, stick to 1 to 2 platform and understand how you can create a content which can entertain the audience, which will bring the engagement. And if your free content is getting engagement, guys, that is the sign your content is good. Okay, and that will ultimately build the relationship and trust, and that will trigger the sales. Video is a short video, guys, but I hope this will guide you and this will help you to get 2 to 4 sales per week, guys. It's not the methods and strategy, it's not the long form and short form content. It's all about valuable content, guys. Hope you got the value. If you got the value, guys, give the thumbs up to this video. And guys, if you want to start with organic traffic, then guys, this is the playlist you have to watch. In this playlist, guys, I have many methods. Pick 1 or 2, take a deep dive, start producing the content, guys, and you will get 2 to 4 sales. And that is the only way to promote the affiliate offer. Meet you in the next video, guys, with more valuable content.